Okay, hope you're well. It's the end of May, right? And I've got my youngest daughter, Sarah, here with me. We're going to set some bees this morning. It is a gorgeous day. Temperature's just right. We're going to set a little nuke box I just got that has a VSH Queen in it, and we're excited to see how these girls do, right?
Yeah.
All right. Stay with us. Pull it out. Go, and they're going to start flying everywhere here. All right, pretty bees. Wow, gorgeous. Okay. Let's see if we can ease back like that. That's good. Now just very easily take your first frame out that's closest to you. You can get your fingers under there. Okay. Got that first one pulling up pretty good. Nice and easy. Alright. Beautiful.
There's a queen.
There's a queen right there, right off the bat on the outside. Okay, be real careful. Let's go ahead and set her in. So go ahead, set it on down. There you go. And you can just let it click right in there. Good job. All right. First one in. Good job. All right, we're just going to set them in order. Okay, you got the second frame coming up. Pretty bees going in here. There you go, give them plenty. Right. Set them straight in order, right? Okay, good job. All right, let's see if we can get this next frame. There you go. Great job, sir. Good looking bees. Look at all that brood. Beautiful brood on here. A little bit of honey on the outside. Okay, let's set that one in. Lots of brood on this side. Gorgeous. Nice looking little nuke. Alright. Alright, let's grab the next one. There's that little box. Just a little bit. Right. Get serious with it, don't you? That thing's kind of stuck. There you go. Good way to use your leverage. Got it good? More brood. Beautiful. All right. Got brood all over. That looks good. Go ahead. It's okay. All right. I got it. Set that one down in there. Go ahead and set that one, and then we'll move that next frame. All right. Give ourselves plenty of room. Okay, this last frame out of here. Look at all those pretty bees. Good stuff.
A little.
Go ahead and pull it. Pull it out of there. There you go. Stuck against that wall, didn't it? See, they started to join it. There we go. Last frame. Look, a lot of pretty honey. That's nice. Got some stores in here. Okay, got a little bit of beautiful honey on here. All right, that's got them something to eat. That's a good looking little box, isn't it? All right, now let's take this box right here, open it up and bump it down to the end. Just bump it all the way on the end like this. There, now turn them over and dump them out. Right on top of that box. Pretty hard, top to top. There you go. Nice. Hey, great job. All right, let's just flip it over. All right, prop it down at the bottom right here, opened up. And anything left will just crawl out of there. All right. Now, let's go ahead and close it up. Let's put your pollen patty, which is sitting over here. I like to add a pollen patty to these bees. Give them a little bit of a start. And that's a good size pollen patty right there. But all right, let's go ahead and put that queen excluder in there. There you go. There's your top. Bees are doing great. All right, and where's your lid? Then we'll let them stay in here like this. We got the entrance closed down pretty good. They're already going in and out. Put the top in there. There we go. It's sitting there. There we go. Hey, great job, babe. You did an awesome job. I appreciate your help, Sarah.
Thanks.
Okay, well, that was a fun little visit with these brand new girls at the apiary, wasn't it, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that. That's how easy it is to set a nuke. Expanding the apiary here, and Sarah, that was fun, wasn't it, on a Saturday morning?
It was, yeah. God bless.
God bless you.